Today we will learn how to construct a triangle when the difference of two sides are given. It is part 2 in which the opposite side of given angle is greater than its adjacent side, not the base.
Let us construct triangle ABC such that BC equals to 6 centimeter, angle ABC equals to 100 and AC minus AB equals to 2.5 centimeter. So first we'll try to draw a rough diagram. We will write down BC as 6 centimeter. Angle B they are saying 100 degree. So it will be here somewhere. And you will have A as this point, and when you join this here with C, you have to draw in such a way that AC minus AB equals to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so here the opposite side is greater than the adjacent side of the given angle. In such case, first we will draw 6 centimeter BC. For that I will take a line. I will fix 6 centimeter in a rounder. Cut an arc so that I can get BC. Name it as B and C. Write down here 6 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor, I will draw an angle at B. So here is the point. I will draw a line passing through these 2 points. You will see that I have drawn downward side also. Whenever there is a opposite side greater given, so we need to go towards downward. The angle we form upper side only, but we extend the line to the downside. So we get supplementary angle. If this angle is 100, so this will be 80. Now I will again take a rounder, fix the difference which they have given 2.5 centimeter. So 2.5 taken as a radius. And from B I cut an arc downside, and when the adjacent side is greater than the opposite, then the same arc is cut on the upper side. Now what I will name it, so I will name it this as a X, and that is why we say that this AC minus AB is equals to B X also. Got it? 2.5 centimeter. I will join X and C point. Now I will draw perpendicular bisector of XC. You know the rule. Take more than half. Upside and downside we need to draw arc. The same radius from X, downside and upside. These two are the points given to us. We will draw perpendicular. We will draw a line from these 2 points. You can extend it, because after extending only they will intersect the line which is drawn upward. we have to extend this line also. So as you can see, here is the point given to us, and our this point will be known as point A. So you can see that AB we got, and now we can join AC. And when I join AC, you can measure with the help of ruler. It will give you greater than this. See here, 12 point something, and this one is 9 point something. So that means AC is greater than AB. So your required triangle is triangle ABC.
Let us see diagrammatically with the PPT. So we'll draw a rough diagram triangle ABC where BC is 6 centimeter, angle B is 100 degree, and now AC minus AB we are taking it as BX, that is equals to 2.5 centimeter. This information of triangle is given to us and we have to construct it. As you have seen previously, we will take the steps which will help you to do construction in your notebook. So opposite side of the given angle is greater. So we will draw first baseline. In that we will mark base segment BC as 6 centimeter. At B we will draw 100 degree and that we will extend it to downward side. So whenever the opposite side of the given angle is greater, the angle has to be extended downward side. So we have now 2.5 centimeter as a BX. So with the help of rounder, we will mark an arc downward side. And we will take this point as X and the value will be written there. Now we can join X and C point. We have got green segment which is joining the point X and C, and I need to draw perpendicular bisector of segment XC. For that, from point C I will take more than half the length of a segment SC, and from C I will cut an arc on both the side of segment XC. With same radius I will place the pointer's nail at X and again draw arc on both the side which is intersecting the previous arcs drawn. So we have got 2 points there, and with the help of these 2 points we will draw a line. So that line is intersecting the line which was drawn before, as you have seen in the diagram, and the point of intersection of the side of angle made of 100 and perpendicular bisector is at the given point which is named as A. So we got our point A. Now here we need to be very careful. We have drawn perpendicular bisector of segment X and C, and point A is also on the perpendicular bisector of segment XC. So point A will be equidistant from point X and C because X and C are the end point of segment XC. Clear? Now when AX is equals to AC, and from that if you remove it 2.5, what it will become? AB will be smaller than AC, and you can form a statement like this, that AC is greater than AB by 2.5 centimeter, and therefore AC minus AB equals to 2.5 centimeter.